This message is for all our students. Your presence makes us cherish. Your movements makes us relish. In short, you give us the reason to flourish.
Wish you all a happy Children's Day from ACC Inter.
Wishing all our students a happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, my dear students. We, the staff of LB Nagar ACC Intermediate, wish you all Happy Children's Day,
my dear students.
This is Setulakshmi, Economics faculty from LB Nagar branch. I would like to wish all my students a happy Children's Day. I want to send you some message. The only dream that every teacher has is that her students are success and happy, and that's what I wish for all of you. A warm wishes on Children's Day, my dear students. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Vimalata from ACC LBN team. Today I would like to wish the students a happy Children's Day. The success of a teacher depends on the hard work of the students, and I have truly been blessed with some of students in my life. Happy Children's Day, my dear students. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Swati, faculty in commerce from ACC LBN. Today I would like to wish you happy Children's Day to all of you. Children, you are the future of the country, so on this day I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself G. Swapna, lecturer in commerce. Greetings from LB Nagar ACC. So today I want to wish my students a happy Children's Day. To my dear students, I wish that you never give up in life and you are a fighter and a winner in life. Wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Myself, Neelcha, faculty of economics from LB Nagar team. Happy Children's Day to all DMI students. I really feel blessed to serve the future of nature. Every child, that is every one of you, is a miracle with each one of you having your own ways to make this world a better place. Once again, a happy Children's Day to every one of you. Thank you.
I am Ravi, Physical Director, LB Nagar branch. Happy Children's Day.
Myself Naresh, lecturer in mathematics from ACC Inter LBN. Wishing you all happy Children's Day.
Hello everyone, this is Sridhar and Social Studies from ACC LB Nagar. I wish you all a happy Children's Day.
This is Universal Economics faculty, ACC LB Nagar branch. First, everyone, I wish to happy Children's Day. Children are like the stars in making. May each shine and its talent and shine bright. Warm wishes on Children's Day to these stars. Thank you, Ananda.
Me, Nagamani, Economics faculty of ACC LBN. Happy Children's Day to everyone. Childhood is the best time to learn new things, set goals and start working for them. Focus on your aims and all the best for your future. Happy Children's Day.
Childhood is the best time to learn new things, set goals and start working for them. Focus on your aims and all the best for your future. Once again, happy Children's Day, Kavita ma'am.
Dear children, your Srilata ma'am would like to wish you all a happy Children's Day. And on this special day, as it is my responsibility, would like to advise you all be responsible and feel responsibility. Once again, happy Children's Day.
The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. A very warm wishes for all the children of ACC on your special day from your Bashir ma'am. Once again, happy Children's Day to my lovely kids over there.
This is Radha, yours English faculty. Happy Children's Day, my dear students. You are the apples of not only your parents but also your teachers. It gives an immense pleasure to be associated with you all. You make us feel elated every time we come to you. Always spread the magic around you. My dear children, be responsible and be devoted towards your duties.
I, myself, Sonali, a teacher, mother, wife, ever an individual, wish you all a happy Children's Day. Focus in your dreams, work towards it, achieve it. Never lose your individuality, because that will only make your identity clear. Happy Children's Day.
Hello, children. I extend my warm wishes and greetings to all the children and a great happy Children's Day from your Chaya ma'am. Shubha Shishu Divasaha.
Happy Children's Day, everyone. You all are the leaders of tomorrow. May God bless you all the very best. Once again, Happy Children's Day. Yes, Sai Krishna. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day. Children are like birds in a garden, and they should be carefully nourished and lovingly cared. Yours lovingly, Veda Prakash. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. To all my students, believe in yourself and follow your dreams. And remember, you are loved today and forever. Once again, Happy Children's Day, my dear all students, by your Uday Kumar sir.
My name is KV Srihari. I am commerce lecturer in LB Nagar branch. Good morning to everyone. In the first place, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. As we all know, we celebrate Nehru's birthday as Children's Day. Today, children are tomorrow's citizens. So, it is high time for you all to establish a good platform for yourselves. You are the rulers of the nation. If the children are educated well, the nation will be prosperous. So take the inspiration from the leaders of the country and promote your nation in an utmost privileged nation. Thank you for it.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। जैसे आँखों की
చకరక చీచాచో చకలోరం గండో వండో లకరకటం అక్కో టక్కో ఇడిగిడి గిడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ విడిపాయ్ చికిచకచో గిలిగిలి మల్ సులుసులు మల్ మకనక హుకుబుకురే టుకుబుకురే చకలక బిక్కో చిక్కో సిలి సిలి సిలిగో బగడదుం జగడదుం చికిచకచో.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं. हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ. पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ. चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले.